How to visit iCloud photo library on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Safari web browser application on your phone. As you get there, tap on the search bar from the bottom panel and search for iCloud. iCloud is a cloud-based service that securely stores and syncs your data like photos, files, and app information. Here, scroll down to iCloud Photos to view your synced photos from the library. Not only viewing, you can also share images from iCloud as a link or download them from the overflow menu to your device as shown. This way, you can safely store your photos in the cloud and access them at any time across multiple devices. Following these steps, you can easily visit iCloud Photo Library on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.